Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, yabuhlungu into we watched uTirelo mop uVuyokazi throughout the whole of last season, only for her to become a Maskandi artist this season, you guys. There you can. We are Goa, you guys. Imagine dating a guy for 5 years. That time you guys have a child together, only for him to meet another girl within 5 months and be planning amalobolo for her behind your back. Guys, no, that is painful, you guys. Now, a lot of people are saying, listen, Utireno agagakali. She is still going to cry more for the things that she did. Guys, I felt so sorry for her, especially when she was telling Mpumemlo ukuthi yazi uphule nglimele. You broke my heart. That time, Upa is just sitting there, guys, and he says, Olisa. But in his diary station, he says, nothing else. So, Agakoliseli is Zenzo Zake, guys. He is just apologetic for the fact that she's hurting. It was almost as if he was saying, so chalamle, sukubega nempilo. Now, guys, Mpumemlo also brings in Uamahle. And Utirelo's annoyed that Mpumemlo is bringing in Amahle in this type of setting because Utirelo says she doesn't want to meet his girlfriend anymore. I was like, hi, Bonjalo, Tirelo, you were introduced in this type of manner as well. And Babumnandi, Gelo Pesha, now that it's you, it's no longer nice. And that's how Amahle in Gati, guys, who's Dengendelelo. And I'm just wondering, this theme of Mpumemlo paying Lobolo for Uamahle first, is it not going to bring inyatso, or is it not going to make Uamahle nyatsa ulopuzana uTirelo? Because I saw in Mpumemlo, he is trying he's trying to make it seem as if though Amahle is going to be the one who's going to be lobola first, it's not going to mean Uguti ungumamkhulu. But I am wondering if lezongo prozelobola are going to go successfully, because on the trailer we see Ingathi Mpumemlo tells his abakhongi bakhe to come back because the price is too hefty. Guys, Hayuturelo. And now it seems like pressure yoguti now she must make this work because she was laughing, making fun of uVuyokazi. Now there's pressure yokuthi girl, if you felt ukuthi uzoyikhona lento, let us see the results. Manje, the results are not resulting. At this point, I'm just questioning myself ukuthi what does uTirelo think she's gonna get out of this relationship? Because on one hand, we are umshado, kodwa at the same time, because this guy is not showing signs of being ready. He is not setting his priorities straight. Akafuna ukugula, kodwa ngalana she's still shacking it up with a man who just refuses to use protection. So what type of oxymoron of a relationship is this, you guys? Hi, anyway, all the best to her, you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.